Morning everyone! It's raining heavily here in Disneyland Shanghai, but no one can stop me from visiting this beautiful place. So, nakakapote po tayo ngayon, everybody. Oops, funny, but ganun talaga, pero hindi pa siya nabasa. So, I bought this raincoat for 50 yuan, so it's roughly 400 pesos. So, tayo dito. Actually, I have no plan of entering inside. I just really wanted to go here. So, wala naman akong plan pumasok talaga kasi I don't think it's sulit knowing the fact na dumating ako dito ng 12 noon. So, I only have like half day. So, I just really want to have photo outside. Makapunta mismo dito sa place na to. And I think that's it. Hindi naman ako fanatic ng mga rides. So, entering inside might not be a good idea. Especially now maulan. So, limited lang yung time mo talaga to enjoy. So, what's important for me is I'm here in this specific place at makapagpa-picture sa harap ng Disneyland Shanghai. So, see you guys again later sa ating labas ng Disneyland. So, let's see kung ano yung maganda dito na or I would say, let's see what's unique in here na wala sa Disneyland Hong Kong. And hopefully, next time I'll be able to visit as well Disneyland Japan. So here, may Starbucks sila sa labas. Let's buy coffee later. So maybe before ako bumalik sa hotel, no, I'll drop by there.